Hi guys. Where's the ginger ale? Why did I not get ginger ale? Hi guys. Hi. Hi Arjun. Sir. Okay, cool. I'm gonna give it a couple of minutes. In the meantime, I'll just talk to you so we don't waste too much time. We're just gonna go through a very, very basic class, guys. I'm gonna start with a little bit of Cunningham technique. Now, Cunningham was one of the choreographers from the postmodern era of dance that kind of broke ballet a lot. So Cunningham is quite a technical modern dance style, but it's not a contemporary dance style. In terms of contemporary means a lot of modern dancers take contemporary and make whatever they want of it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the basics of this modern technique because it helped me a lot to open my spine up and give me a lot more range in my body. That's what I kind of want to work with you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do like a couple of minutes of a little exploration for the spine. So all we're going to do is, first thing, we're just going to stand, keeping our feet as wide as our hips. I'm going to direct you through this and then we'll go like with on sound, yeah? So I'm just going to stand and keep my feet and really almost, guys, the visual I use is I almost imagine there's a waterfall with loads of force coming. And the floor is like that nice bed of water where the kind of water just comes and dissipates, I think is the word. Yeah, it just comes and relaxes. So you want to feel that connection of the end of the waterfall with the floor. Once we find this, all we're going to do is we're going to place one hand on our head and one hand on your tailbone, guys. Your tailbone is a lot deeper than you think, so it won't be in the back, it's somewhere up your bum. You're going to have to really find it. And for a second, I just want you to feel these and keep your palms here and give your body the awareness of, oh wow, your spine is that long, yeah? So your spine almost begins right at the top in your neck. This is your cervical spine followed by your thoracic spine, which is 12 vertebrae, which is as many as your rib cage, then your lumbar, then your sacrum, then your coccyx, yeah? Your coccyx is your tailbone. We're going to try and find the end of that. And just give a little pressure to both sides. Once we do this, we're just going to start to move and walk around. Very gently, you can be like on and off in front of the camera, it doesn't matter. And you keep walking and just start to feel your center, yeah? And start to really relax when you walk. You don't have to kind of go crazy or move too much. Just be nice and easy and just move. Yeah, once you start to find this and you feel comfortable with your spine, you're just going to release your tailbone and start to keep this point, yeah? This is like your fulcrum. This point is it's connected and it's stable and you're just trying to initiate the movement with your tailbone. So it's your tailbone that kind of takes you wherever it has to and brings you up wherever it has to. And then you're going to do the same thing with the head. Yeah? And then what we're going to do is once we're kind of aware of, oh, my head can give me this kind of movement and my tailbone can give me this kind of movement, we start to play with both and find both, yeah? So we'll start there, but before that I'll make you do like a tiny prep to get into it. And then we'll just carry on with it, yeah? Cool. Very simple, very basic, no stress. Take it as you need, guys. It's not about trying to replicate my movement. Yes, if you get lost, you can look at me and see, okay, there I'm losing the motivation, I'm losing the point of initiation. Start again, yeah? Like go back, stand, relax yourself, find these 2 points and start again. We're going to start very basic, just feeling the flow, starting to shift our weight and relaxing into the flow because I feel like this connection is kind of what gives me everything when I move. We'll get into the technical aspect of it a little later. Since it's a contemporary class, I am not going to run with everything. I'm going to make sure I give you some kind of information and hopefully then share the choreography in the last half, yeah? Playing something nice and easy, no stress. Great guys, we're gonna take the weight shift to different parts of our body now. So we're gonna go right to left, yes, but we're also gonna play between my leg, my arm, my head, my shoulder. Yeah, we're gonna play between different parts of our bodies. So you don't have to necessarily always shift leg to leg. You can also shift leg, arm, leg, arm, other arm, back, elbow, shoulder, shoulder. Yes. On my bum. Back on my foot. Hand, leg, hand, elbow, walk. You can also give your weight to the floor on the side of your body. Other side. Take your time, but keep shifting the weight. And just center yourselves. Come back to center. Feel the sound. Get one hand on the top of your head. One hand on your tailbone. While you're shifting the weight, just start to sense how long your spine is. How much length you have here. Keep that feeling, guys. You can close your eyes and internalize it. This is going to be a nice relaxing session. Stay with it. Just walk around, keep shifting the weight. Keep doing what you've done, right to left. You can go down, you can come up. It might take a little strength. Whenever you're ready, release any one point. I'm going to release my head first. And be really conscious that all the movement you start comes from the head. See how the top of the spine feels like. Move on shoes and slippers. And change the point. And now play with both. Find the connection between your head and your tailbone. Movement only comes from these 2 points. Don't cheat yourself. It's okay to flip and fall. If you get lost, come back to the weight shifting. And let's just come back to the weight shifting. We're gonna get as small as possible in the spine and as tall as possible. Ah. Breathe out and breathe in. Long spine, shorten it, curve it. And up. Slightly faster, different directions. And down, last time, stay down. And stretch your legs. And rolling up. And relax yourself. Great, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Cool. We're gonna go into a slightly more technical set. I hope you've kind of seen the length your spine has, yeah? Your spine is divided into 3 parts again, your cervical, your thoracic, and your lumbar spine. We're not going to work the tailbone, yeah? So We're going to do a lot of curves right now. Nothing comes from the tailbone. We're all going to work from the thoracic spine and the lumbar spine max. Yeah, not this way. So all we do is we take our arms up to fifth. We're going to stand in first turn out. I don't know if you can see my feet. I'll just quickly tuck this in. Thank you. So, my hands are in fifth, my shoulders are down. All I do is, watch it from profile, I'm going to curve my rib cage over, my thoracic spine. It's almost like I'm falling over, but I just want to curve and keep the core engaged to kind of balance you. You do 16 bounces. You go 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. My bad. 14. You come up 15, 16 or 7, 8. You plie 1, 2, you come up 3, 4, you plie 5, 6, you open 7, 8. We're going to do a high arch. So only my rib cage is going to lift to the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4. I come down 5, 6. I go up 7, 8. I repeat. 14 bounces up on 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Arch to the ceiling. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second position. Same thing. You can keep your hands down or up based on, wherever you're feeling the pressure. If you can handle it on top, go for it. If not, hands next to you. We curve. Again, 14 times, up on 15, 16, plie 1, 2, up 3, 4, plie 5, 6, up 7, 8, rise up 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do this twice. Then we go to the diagonal, guys. So watch, I twist only in my spine. So we're kind of trying to open up the thoracic spine. Your rib cage is the one doing the maximum work, yeah? So we're working only from here. I go twist, curving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I plie, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, up 5, 6, change 7, 8, down on 1. So here we don't do the plies. We do this one right, one left, and then we do plie, up, all the way up, high arch. Last one we'll hold, take our arms up and release. Cool, that's your first set. I'm going to show you the second set because it's really simple. We'll just go from one into the other. If you have any questions after I explain this, you let me know and then I'll repeat them, yeah? From here, we're just going to keep opening the spine up. Again, we turn out. If you're not comfortable, turn out, guys. Please do it parallel, yeah? So, turn out. I go curving, 2, 3, 4, plie, flat back. 2, 3, 4, maintain, flat back. Coming up, 2, 3, 4. And curve, 2, 3, 4, flat back. Plie, stretch, and up. Same thing in second. Curve, 2, 3, 4, flat back, stretch, and up. A flat back, guys, means you're pulling from the top of your head and your tailbone. The length you felt at the beginning, we're trying to work that. Again, curve, flat back, stretch, up. We're going to do this to the diagonal as well. Curve, 2, 3, 4, flat back, 2, 3, stretch, 2, 3, 4, up, change, curve, flat back, stretch, up. Yeah? Make sure when you go to the diagonals, you don't open your hip too much, so there's no pressure on the back knee. You're just opening as much as you can. So this is fine, this is also fine, and this is also fine. Just not here and not like there. Cool? I know it's a little technical, but we'll try and go slow. I'll pick a music that's slow. 5, Okay, guys, your core should be like burning warm. Your arms should be quite warm, your legs should be warm, and your back should have started to feel this nice opening, yeah? Give me a thumbs up if you feel that. Whoever's there here. I don't know who even is there. I'm just gonna have a quick sip. Cool. Do you want to do some more technique or you want to go into the choreography? Let me know. There's one more set I have for you. It's a little challenging, so it might take time. Technique, because we've not done it in a while. Or choreography. Quickly. Technique, choreography, technique. I have one last. Arms burning. Nice, Nishant. Guys, this is bad. Don't drink this, okay? But I love it, so I'm indulging in it. Quickly, guys. You want to do technique? One last set. Amazing. Nice, sincere. Okay, cool. Wow. Nice. Okay, cool. So, very simple, yeah? We're going to warm up the feet now. So, for those of you who don't know, this is a demi-point, and this is the full point, yeah? So, what we're going to do is we're going to go 1, down 2. We go half, up 4, down 5, place 6, full 7, 8. So, we go demi-point, then we go demi-point, demi-back, and then we go flick and in, yeah? So, it's 1, 2, 3.4, place 5, back 6, flick 7, 8, yeah? It's a little tricky, it's a mind thing. You have to be really focused on your feet. Yeah, this is so that you start to get really quick with the way you move your feet. You know how to play with these small movements. Yeah, let's go 5, 6, 7, and demi, back, demi, point, back, place, flick and in. Brush 1, 2, back 3, 4, brush 5, 6, back 7, 8. This time you're going to make a full circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, passe the right leg. Yeah, once more. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flick 7, back 8. Brush 1 through the flow. Watch me brush. Brush 5. Really work your feet. Brush 1, 2, open 3, 4, 5, 6. Collect parallel. Yeah? We're going to open 1, 2. So I should be completely profiled and turn out facing the right side. I extend my leg 3, 4. I come back in 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, I'm going to curve my spine and extend my leg together in 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I roll down 7, 8. Are we good till here? Yes, no, maybe? Okay, I'm going to do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Brush 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Really feel the wind on this one. 3, 4, 5, 6. You have time. 7, 8. Open 1, 2. Extend 3, 4. Back on 5, 6, 7. Keep your arms. 1, 2. You guys really feel the thickness of the mud, yeah? You want to push through like this thick mud. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reach 5, 6 down. 7, 8. You go into a plie. 7, 8. You walk out 1, 2. Into a plank. You walk back 3, 4. You go to the other side. 5, 6. You come back 7, 8. You walk forward 1, 2. You stretch 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walking back 2, 3, 4. Rolling up 6, 7, 8. That's the combination. And then we do the same thing to the left. Yeah? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Brush once. Brush the second time. Brush the third time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is where all your weight shifting comes in, guys. I shift my weight back, shift my weight forward. I open 1, 2. I extend Alasikam 3, 4. Come back 5, 6. Parallel passe 7, 8. I extend the 1, 2, 3, 4. I come up 5, 6. Rolling down 7, plie 8. Walk out 1, 2. Back 3, 4. Other side. 5, 6. Back 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, back 3, 4, walk 5, stretch 6, 7, 8, whatever you need. 1, 2, 3, 4, roll up, 7, 8. I bend my knees to roll up to give me a little accent, yeah, just to feel like I'm dancing this. Did everybody get this? It's very short and very simple. Though the rhythm will be the same. Yes, no, maybe, guys? Mir sir, are you doing class? Kya baat, very good. Okay, cool. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to do a music mark and then we'll move on, yeah? Are you guys warm or do you want to do it once more? We can do it as many times as you need. There's no problem. Yeah? You should be feeling, guys, it's not only about getting the movement. Once you get the movement, try and find your own accent. So you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3. You can do it down 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so start to play with the phrase once you get it. Yeah? Once more, NCR, let's do it once more. Great. This time I want you to play with the phrase. You know some things that have more counts. Try and accentuate and release and melt. Yeah? Make it like a choreography. It is essentially a choreography. Yeah? Guys, what you know, when you create movement, you kind of layer it over time as you go on, yeah? So when you create a certain phrase, don't judge it at the beginning. That's what I do. I start to create, and then like add maybe like a level of dynamic, or maybe an intention, or maybe just play with the musicality of it. If I know this is 4 counts, I could go fast on 1, and then I have and 2, 1, 3, and 4. Or I could decide to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And it changes the movement entirely, yeah? So start to understand that music is just like waves, yeah? Every time we like feel the beat is at the peak of the wave. But there is still the other side and the other side of the wave. So you can really choose where you want to peak it, yeah? Make sense? You can peak and then release the rest of the wave. Or you can release and peak the end, yeah? There's something called impulse and impact. There are different dynamics of movement, but I will not get into it now. Maybe in some theory session. Let's do this one last time, yeah? Play with it, play. Right side first this time. 5, 6. 5, 6, 7. Right leg. 1, 2, 3.4. Back 5. Play 6. Play 7. 8. Brush 1, 2. Long as you brush. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Curving in the thoracic. Woo! water and then we'll get into it. Yeah, little dead me as well, Nishant. Feels great though, right? These modern classes really bloody help me, man. I'm missing it now that I do it. I feel so different. I can actually feel my legs so much stronger. Feel this release in my spine. It's great. Cool. We'll go to the choreography. Take a second to breathe. This is your choreography song. It's a little different than what you would expect me to create.
I had a dream. I got everything I wanted. Not what you think. And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare to anyone who might care. Thought I could fly, so I stepped off the golden. Nobody cried. Nobody even noticed. I saw them standing right there.
I'm gonna teach it to you. You might not be able to see me in certain bits. I'm going to try and move back as far as possible. See if we turn it, if it helps. Is this better? I think this is better. Okay? I think this is better. So I'm going to stick with it. Just a little. Subaba. Cool. So we start in third position, fifth position, turned out, whatever. You can start in first as well. It's absolutely fine. From here we go 1, 2. We pull the leg up 3, 4. Yeah? From here, as you pull the leg up, you're going to place it back. So we're going to turn from, for me it's my left diagonal to my right. Yeah? So if I'm facing back, I'm facing here. I pull up. I curve. Again, it's a thoracic spine curve, guys. Relax the tailbone. I pull, open, and my hand does this continuation. So my hand goes open, through, and it's again going through this really thick mud. The moment it hits my head, it kind of cuts through. Yeah, but I'll get there. Can you all see me? Much better now. Great. Cool. So from here, 6, 7. Vedika, do you know how to switch the comments off? Guys, I'm going to switch the comments off for a bit. I'll keep repeating because I don't think you can see me through the comments. There should be an option here. Oh, I'm going to try and switch the comments off.
Yeah, 1 second.
Yeah. Cool. Now you should be able to see me, yeah? So we go pull. So I go 1, 2, which is a little whoop. Yeah? I learned this from here. It's a little like an ulti, but less aggressive. This one's very light, okay? So I go with my chest first, I follow into the curve, I grab, I pull, hand goes through. So I'm going through a rotated passe, I'm placing it back and my hand is going through to knock my head. The moment it knocks my head, I turn over my right shoulder, my right hand cuts, cut, back. Yeah, so all I do is from here, I get my body into a curve. So arch, curve. So now you see why you have to understand the use of the spine, because I use it a lot, yeah? And it's also very challenging on the core. From here, my hands are down, I'm in a plie. I'll show it to you facing forward and I'll move back. I knock up with my elbows and I become parallel. So, if I just focus on my feet for a second, yeah. So watch from here, I go boom, parallel, yeah? And it's like a little ripple, like a whoop whoop. And then you just go left, right. Just shifting weight. So you walk left, right. And then your right hand, it's like someone called you, so you run there. And you just slide the right leg. Yeah? Once more. 5, 6. I'll show you the phrase that it's on. You'll get the understanding of sound a little better. Sounding a little different on my speaker right now. Starts as the song starts.
I had a dream.
Bum, boom.
I got everything I
Step,
wanted.
step. Boom, boom.
Not what you think.
Yeah?
And if I'm being
So the timing is boom. I had a dream. Boom, boom. I got everything I wanted. Boom, boom. Yeah, so your hand is the one that kind of pulls you. It's like someone just pulled you there and you come in and you just do one more step. Yeah, so your left leg should end up forward. Once more, 5, 6, 5. I'll switch on comments in like a second, and then you can ask me the questions you have. Prepare your questions already. 5, 6, 7, and boom. I had a dream. Boom, boom. I got everything I wanted. Boom. Something. Yeah? Once more, just that much? Cool. And then I'm going to ask you questions, okay? 5, 6, 7. We might not be able to learn much, but I'll show it to you anyway. So, 6, 7, and boom. I had a dream. You have time. Boom, boom. I got everything I wanted. Boom, boom, boom. From here, your right hand goes around, left hand goes around, you drop down. So you go right, left, and then your right comes up and pushes your head back. So imagine the first exercise you did, this head and tailbone. We scoop through with that. And then I'm going to use my other hand to push my hand away. Yeah? So from here, I push away and I step back. So I go round and reach. So right hand is doing, you can go slightly higher. Yeah, that's it. So my right hand from here is doing round, scoop in the well, reach, pull, catch. Once more. Only hand. 6, 7. Round, scoop, reach, pull, catch. 6, 7. Round, scoop, reach, pull, catch. Now same thing. My right leg moves with my right arm. Round, scoop, reach. So my left leg goes up. Pull, catch. Yeah? Once more. 5, 6, 7. Round, scoop, reach, pull, catch. I kind of finish slightly closer than the first time. I'm here only. And from here you just get a little scared, yeah? So you're just going to get scared and drop whatever you catch. Just drop it. Yeah, she says I thought it, but she says if I'm being honest, I thought it was a nightmare. Or it was a nightmare, something like that, yeah? So you're just going, sorry?
Not what you think, and if I'm being honest.
And if I'm being honest?
That's all. It might have been
It might have been a nightmare. So this is, and if I'm being honest, it might have been a, and you go, prepare your legs. So as you do this, play a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to switch the comments on because I have a feeling you guys have questions, okay? Okay, great. I'm going to go from the top once and then you ask me questions. We'll just do this much on sound first. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and boom. I had a dream. Boom, boom. And everything I wanted. Boom, boom. Step. Now wasn't thing. Boom. And if I'm being honest. Yeah? Questions? Yes, no, maybe, guys? I'll show you the musicality in a second.
I had a dream.
Boom, boom,
I got everything I wanted.
boom, boom,
Not what you think.
boom, boom.
And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare to anyone who might care.
Can we just do the phrase 2-3 times on counts?
Thought
Yes.
I could fly.
Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to kind of sing it so that you get a better hang of the counts. 6, boom. I had a dream. Ba, boom, boom. got everything I wanted. Boom, boom, I wouldn't think. Boom, you have time here. Boom, and if I'm being honest, I thought it was. You jump back. Yeah? You jump back on nightmare. I thought it was a night. Yeah, from here you begin. This is on 1, 7, 8, 1, 2. Yeah? Can we do the last bit once again? Yes, Cynthia. So from here, you go right, left, scoop with the head. You take your time here because the next half is slow. You go step, back, back, down, up, boom, boom. Yeah? It's your right hand that's doing most of the work. Kind of, sorta? Yes, no, guys? Cool? Once more on counts for Nishant and then we'll move on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. I had a dream. Boom, boom. I got everything I wanted. Boom, boom. I wouldn't think. Boom. And if I'm being honest, I thought it was a jump. Guys, when you walk back, especially, I want you to, she's kind of looking at everything she has, yeah? This is her looking back at her life and saying, oh, you know, okay, whatever I did, I got everything I wanted. So this is a very walk of satisfaction, like you look at everything and you're just kind of relaxed and happy. So that walk at the back is just, whoa, and then someone pulls her back to reality and just think about it. Yeah, think about that dream again. So, and then she goes, I thought it was a nightmare, if I'm being honest, yeah? So it's this constant check between reality and what you kind of dream or create for yourself in your head, yeah? So it's this fight between the two. Once more, 5, 6, 7, boom. I was under, boom, boom. I got everything I wanted. Boom. I wouldn't think. Boom. And if I'm being honest, I thought it was night. Yeah? I'm going to just teach you, I'm going to finish this nightmare bit and then we'll do it on sound and see if we can add any more. Okay, so nightmare, this is on 1, you step back on 2, so your hands do a full circle, right leg goes up, you jump off the left, don't lift too high, so it's not about this, guys, it's just about pulling back with the pelvis. Whew. Yeah, float it. So almost just off the floor, yeah? So you jump, you land with the right hand back, you're going to use the force of the right hand to pull you forward. So watch. Watch this once. I jump, I land, now watch. My right leg and right hand kind of do a full circle to come back to this direction. Boom. It's a turn. The easier way to do it would be, you just go around and place. What I'm doing is extend, foite, passe through. So extend, foite, passe through. And I'm using my body, so it makes it, well, easier to finish the movement but harder to control. So, woo! And flex the foot when you finish. So it's a point through flex. Yeah? Can we do the last bit again? Can we do the phrase? Anyone else? Anything else? Questions? Cool. So from here, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6. 7, I step right. So whichever leg is going forward, my weight is behind, I shift weight and I sit down. Yeah, you can relax the bottom foot. Cool? We'll do it till here. So this is 5, 6 together, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps, 7 down, 8. Yeah? It's like I'm doing some really cool trick with a tray. So I go, whoa, watch, I won't drop it. Yeah? So it's a little like a off-balance balance thingy. And you have to really feel the flow with your feet. If you didn't do the first part of class properly, then it's going to be hard. Insia, what I do is, I just swing my leg this way, I come back in. Just do this, half a turn first, 6, 7, and in. Once more. 6, 7, and in. Oh, I'm slipping. 6, 7, and in. extend. Yeah? Now when you do it with momentum, and I'm falling, just fall in front rather than behind. So when you do the whole thing together, fall in front, fall on the leg. Yeah? If you're not getting this, very simple, you just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down, 8. Yeah, just do a normal turn. Like a on the turn. Hey, long. Oh, lunge. Hi, uncle. Hope you're doing well. Cool. Once more. 5, 6 from the top. 7, 8. Boom. I had a dream. Boom, boom. I got everything I wanted. Boom, boom. Step. I wouldn't think. Boom, boom. And if I'm being honest, I thought it was. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Sorry, little. This one's space. But I guess we all will be. Cool, guys? You want to see music? I'm going to play music now. Mark for sound. Count it for yourself. 5, 6. 1, 3,
I had a
4, 5,
dream.
6, 8. 1,
I
2,
got everything
4,
I
5,
wanted.
6, 7, 8. 1, 2,
Not what you
5,
think.
6, 7, 8. 1,
And if I'm being honest, it might have been a night
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
to
7, 8.
anyone who might care. Thought I could fly,
Yeah?
so I stepped off the golden. Nobody cried, nobody even noticed. I saw them standing right there.
You get the timing?
Kinda thought
There's more time here, guys, before you start this. I went early. Let's try and do it. 4, 5, 6, 7, and
I had a dream.
boom! Ha! Ha!
I got everything I wanted. Not what you think.
Boom!
And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare to anyone who might care.
This to anyone.
Thought I could fly,
Yeah?
so I stepped off the golden. No,
Talk to me, guys. Do you need anything from my side? I can keep doing it. But did you get it? Nish, did you get it? Thank you, uncle. Thank you. Dad, I got the comments. Absolutely, you can see me once. If I fall, don't judge me. I'm working with space. Also, I'll fall. Big deal. Can you just play sound? Okay, it's okay.
I had a dream. I got everything I wanted. Not what you think. And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare to anyone who might care.
Yeah?
Thought I could fly, so I stepped off the golden.
Nish, did you get it on sound? I'm waiting for you. I know it'll take time to respond. I'll just take a second. There's lots more to learn of this, but I'm just teaching this much for now. Did you get the musicality? Thanks, Nish. But did you get it? Musicality? Insia? Great, let's do it. Come. I'll do it with you once and then you can go on your own once. I need to start doing these movement classes for myself. The control you get in your body in the arches and stuff now. Excellent. 5, 6. Play and curve together.
I had a dream. I got everything I wanted. Not what you think. And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare to anyone who might care. Thought I could fly,
Yeah?
so I stepped off the golden.
Once for you, on your own,
Cry.
without me. Five, 6, 5, 6, 7, and
I had a dream. I got everything I wanted.
ha,
Not what you think.
bam.
And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare to anyone who might care. Thought I could fly, so I stepped off the golden. Nobody cried.
Guys, for the turn, just something I figured in the moment right now. Try and do it like a wave. So try and once you hit your low point, try and shoot up, yeah? Keep your center strong. So from here, one, definitely your weight is on your back leg. And so don't shift too far forward because you'll fall, yeah? You just want to come back enough. So it's almost like a play of the weight in the middle. I'm going down, up. So there's a little, so there's an up, down, up. Watch. Up, down, up. Once more. 6, 7. Up, down, up. Down. Yeah? Not passive, but you know what I mean. So try and play with that. You'll find the stability in time. Engage your spine, your curving. Yeah. This was it. Yeah? Up, curve, up. You got to be really strong with this feeling that we did in class. Yeah? Let's do it twice more, guys, then I'll pack up, okay? Just twice more. But please do a cool down for yourself. I'll just do some throws of the arms and bounces of the legs. Twice more and then that's it. Let's go. Five, 6.
I had a dream.
Boom, boom,
I got everything I wanted.
boom, boom,
Not what you think.
boom.
And if I'm being honest, it might have been a
1, 2,
nightmare
3. Up, down, up,
to
7,
anyone
8.
who might care.
That was it. Once more.
Thought I could fly,
Last time.
so I stepped off the golden. I had a dream. I got everything I wanted. Not what you think. And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare to anyone who might care. Thought I could fly,
That's all, guys.
so I stepped
Thank
off the
you.
golden.
Just bounce your hands. 8.
Nobody cried.
8 to the side.
Nobody even noticed. I saw them
In
standing
front.
right there. Kinda thought they might care.
Just releasing your arms. 4.
I had a dream.
Front.
I got everything I wanted.
2.
But when I wake up, I see as long as I am here, no one can hurt you. Don't wanna lie here, but you can learn to. If I could change the way
Walk
that
forward.
you see yourself,
Stretch up. Nice cobra stretch.
wouldn't wonder why they don't deserve you.
Back. Take your left leg forward.
I tried to
Relax your
scream,
pelvis. Nice and easy.
but my head was underwater. They called me weak,
Change.
like I'm not just somebody's daughter. It could have been a nightmare,
Stretch.
but it felt like they were right there.
Walk in, roll up.
And it feels like yesterday was a year
7, nice and
ago.
slow.
But I don't wanna let anybody know, 'cause everybody wants something from me
Okay,
now.
just give sensation back to your body parts. Give some pressure wherever you feel like.
I had a dream, I got everything I wanted, but when I wake
No extra massage, just put some pressure like you're shifting weight onto that part. Like you're carrying someone.
and you say, as long as I am here, no one can hurt you.
All the way inside the leg.
Don't wanna lie here, but you can learn to. If I could change the way that you see yourself, you wouldn't wonder why they
Close your eyes,
don't
take yourself back to the
deserve you.
beginning of class. Control your breath.
If I knew it all, then would I
Relax
do
your
it
knees. Breathe
again?
in.
Would I do it again?
Breathe out.
If they knew what they said would go straight to my head, what would they say
Breathe out.
instead?
Last time. Breathe in.
If I knew it all,
Hold it. Stay
would
there.
I do it
Relax your body.
again? Would I do it
And breathe out.
again?
Woo.
If they
Shake your legs. Thank you guys.
would go straight to my head, what
I'm gonna end this now. Thank you for the few of you who've done class. I hope you learned something new. I hope you got a little insight on Cunningham and how I kind of teach contemporary. That's different sides of me all in one class. Little improvisation, little technique, and little choreography from my old day style with a bit of my new age stuff. So yeah, keep learning, keep following, and hopefully you check the page out and you see more stuff. Okay, this is gonna be safe for 24 hours. So I will see you. Bye bye.